I was born and raised in London, England. And when I was about 11 years old, my mom told me she was going to back to Nigeria. And she said she was going back for about 3 weeks. It turned out that she was there for 8 years. And I was kind of with foster parents here and there, you know. And I got kicked out of the house. So I remember wandering around the streets of London, and I was homeless, had nowhere to stay. I was like 16 years old. And the only help I got, you know, was when I opened up and said, Heavenly Father, I can't do this on my own. I was about 18 or 19 when I really first started getting serious about singing. It was just in here, in me, and I feel like it was just like, it needed to come out. And a couple of friends, we thought ourselves really cool dancers, you know. We won this dance singing contest, kind of karaoke thing, and we got a chance to win this recording contract. The record company was just like a little room with a fax machine and a telephone and like an 8-track. But we made the most of it, and we started writing songs and everything and performing, and we found a manager that introduced us to some people at Universal Records in England. We ended up in this huge high-rise building, you know, we're sitting in there in marble tables, they play our CD, yeah, we love your stuff, you're signed. And yeah, that's when things started going really crazy. I believe we become what we think about the most. Like, I remember back in the day, you know, when I was a boy band, I used to do music just so that I can get girls. I used to do music just so that I can get rich. And that never brought me any happiness, never brought me any joy. But now I look at music, and I take it, and I move in a different direction with it and use it for something other than just myself. I put out a CD a while back, and someone called me from California and said they were going to commit suicide. But they listened to a song, and they felt something so powerful and so strong, and they decided not to do that. I believe that music heals the soul. That is what I want to be a part of, just helping people to feel closer to Christ. I'm a father, a husband, and a musician. My name is Alex Boye, and I am a Mormon.